This film is one in a series looking at using Lenz Digital Plus with other DCC makes. So in this case we have the Gaugemaster Prodigy Advance 2, and I'm looking at controlling solenoid point motors with the LS150 Accessory decoder. Now, one of the great advantages of the LS150 is that it uses a separate transformer supply, so you can have one transformer controlling several of these. This means that you're not draining track power away to power hungry points. So I've got a selection of different point motors wired into the decoder. So we've got the Pico PL10, we've got a SEEP, and we've got a Fleischmann side mounted point motor. So we'll look at the Pico point, the PL10 style point motor first. You've got the two common sides which you wire together, and then you've got left and right coils. On the decoder, the common goes to the middle, C, and then left and right coils go to plus and minus on there. So on the Prodigy system, we want to go to accessory, type in the address, so in this case this is set on 1, and enter, and 1 and 2. So number 1 here operates the plus side, and 2 operates the minus side. So that's the Pico snap point motor. I've got in one of the other outputs, in output 3 in this case, a SEEP solenoid point motor. So it's on number 3 here. So again, we've got the same sort of idea as the Pico one. You've got the common, and then you've got left and right coils, which shoot the point motor across. And finally we've got the Fleischmann style point motor. They all work in the same sort of way. They're two magnetic coils within a mechanism. The Fleischmann one is designed to actually plug into the point, so it's a very neat little solution. So I've got this on address 6. And again, it's the same idea. Black is common, and then brown are the two coils, so plus and minus. There we are, so that's it operating. We'll now look at it programming. So we're going to look at programming the unit. So I've got the handset here. What we do is we put the LS150 into programming mode, so press and hold the button. To program, it does need a load on the first outlet, so wire a point motor in on the first one, otherwise it won't program. And we'll go to accessory, and I'll say put the first one as 101, enter. And so to program it, send the command to move that address left or right. So that's done. So we've now programmed it 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106. So you just need to program the first outlet and it will automatically pick up for the other 5. So just to prove that, we'll go to 106. And that's the Fleischmann point motor clicking over. If we go to 103, which is the SEEP one, so 103. And that's just to show that different point motors work with this accessory decoder. The LS150 is easy to use. The program is just on the button. It takes very little track power, so all it's taking is commands from the track. The separate transformer feed drives the point motors, and that's 3 amps, 16 volts AC. We use the Lenz TR100 for that. And the transformer can be used for several of these accessory decoders. Each LS150 has 6 outlets and they're specifically designed for point motors. The unit is economical, it's reliable, it's nicely presented and cased, and the case is significant because it keeps all the muck and debris out of the life underneath a layout board.